One of the key selling points of luxury electric vehicles is their exceptional performance. With and powerful electric motors, these cars deliver a driving experience that is both smooth and exhilarating. Electric motors provide immediate power delivery, resulting in lightning-fast acceleration. The Psy, for example, can go from 0 to 60 mph in under eyes, outpacing many traditional sports cars. Due to battery placement in electric vehicles contributes to improved handling and cornering. Luxury EVs are equipped with advanced suspension systems that ensure a smooth, refined ride even at high speeds. Regenerative braking systems in EVs recover energy when slowing down, making braking more efficient while extending the vehicle's range. One of the major concerns for potential electric vehicle buyers is range anxiety, concern over how far an EV can travel on a single charge. However, battery technology has improved significantly in recent years, addressing this issue. Many luxury EVs now offer ranges of on a single charge, with some models exceeding. The, for example, offers a range of up to, while the boasts a range of. With advancements in charging technology, luxury electric vehicles can now be charged more quickly, thanks to features like an improved Y. The expansion of charging infrastructure, particularly with networks like, is making it easier than ever for luxury EV owners to travel long distances without the fear of running out of charge. Luxury electric vehicles offer significant environmental benefits, contributing to a cleaner, greener future. Unlike traditional gasoline-powered vehicles, luxury EVs produce zero, reducing air pollution and contributing to the fight against. Electric motors are much more energy efficient than internal combustion engines, converting of the energy from the battery into whereas traditional engines waste much of the energy as heat. Many luxury car makers are investing in, such as using recycled materials,